Franz Kafka. Marshalikwin. What are you doing out here? Thinking. About what? How much I hate your guts. Well, I could write a book on how much I hate your guts. Well, it's ironic, Marshall. I happen to be writing a book right now, which is what I'm thinking about right now. Well, I just wrote a song, and it's about how much I hate you. Why are you standing in the rain? Without an umbrella? Your trench coat seems to be a little wet, like you've been here for a while. I just got out of the bar. Max put this in my mailbox. It's for you. Hold on a second. Thank you. Filthy habit. Why would Max, who knows me and where I live, put my letter in your mailbox? Well, I don't know. Why don't you ask him yourself? Since he knows where you live. Well, maybe I will ask him. Knowing! Why don't you just read it? Alright, I will. Quite interesting, isn't it? Full of passion and flair. Must have been quite a writer. Why is the letter open, Marshall? It's open! And wet. Like it's been out in the rain all afternoon. I just had a... Alright, I wrote it. You wrote the letter? But I thought this was for Max. Are you double-crossing me? I saw you throwing apples at him and Dora. Wanna know why? It's odd. This letter is addressed. Love, Max. That's how his manner is. So when you're ready, that is where I can find you. Plus, you should get out of the rain. It's like he knew I was in the rain. I wrote it saying behind that bush over there. You sick German Nazi! Don't lie to me, man! Tell me this is from Max! I wrote it behind this bush here! There's my pencil and writing materials. I brought them from home. It's quite a walk, you know. 3 or 4 miles on foot. In the rain. And Sally was out of milk. I have to stop in the store on the way home. It's a shame you don't have a carriage. Why don't you just tell me why you were throwing apples then? That is none of your business, why? You love her, don't you? Sally and I have been together for years. Oh, Franz. Tell me you love Dora! I don't, Franz. You know that. That ended a long time ago. Back where the land flew with milk and honey. Birds sang song and praise in the woods. Little children flocked to bears and stingy creatures for protection. What is wrong with you? You animal! Oh, I'm an idealist, Franz. You may not like it. But you like what I stand for. I'm going home. Write your damn book! Before you start again! Make sure you mention me when you acknowledge everyone. Tell them I helped with something. Your statement is both ironic and profound. This is Max's writing and his signature. Sick bastard. I wanted to see how you were feeling because you've always been my best friend. And I hate the thought that you'd be mad at me. I can't believe I betrayed you like that. I mean, it wasn't on purpose, and I wanted to know if you could forgive me and we could start over. You know, erase what happened. Oh, God, that's disgusting. Also, I wanted you to be the first to know that Dora and I are done. When you chased me all the way down that road and pelted me with apples, I was knocked unconscious, and when I woke up, Dora left me a note telling me that I'll never be a man enough for her. Yeah. She also took my wallet, that bitch. She lies, she steals, and I can't believe that I've ever even let her come between us, and for that I am most sorry. Also, when I was looking for a condom this morning, I found her medical record, and I saw that you've been diagnosed with tuberculosis. I am so sorry, and I wanted you to know that I am here for you. God damn ink smudges. In fact, I am in the parlor waiting for you. I want to help you finish the story, so when you're ready, that is where I can find you. Plus, you should get out of the rain. Love, Max. Tuberculosis? Wow, 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 wow.